what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install 1xBet on your iPhone. So once you're on the official 1xBet account, 1xBet official website, what you will have to do is scroll down a little until you see this option right here, which is free download iOS. So what you will have to do is just click that. And by the way, this is only again applicable for your iPhone. So what you will have to do is you will basically look for something like this on your mobile iPhone. What you will have to do is you will just have to click it, and then you will open the App Store, go to your account, and then click on your name, and then you will just have to tap country and region, and then press change country or region, and select your country. And after that, you will just have to accept the user agreement, fill in the address fields as shown, and select none from the list of payment methods, and then click next. And then you will just have to go to your app store and search for 1xBet. And yeah, that's basically just how you can do it. And if you get an error message, then you need to create a new account or go to appleid.apple.com to create a new account and state Colombia as your country. And yeah, that's basically how you can do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.